I'm going to be showing you how to get booster crafting in eFootball. So first you need to know what it is. So booster crafting lets you combine items, create customer boosters for players, improve stats for speed, shooting, or defense. So the first step on how to unlock the feature is you must reach Dream Team progression, have booster items or duplicate players. So it unlocks automatically after updates or events, so there's no manual download needed. So the second step is to go to booster crafting menu. You just need to open the game, and once you're here, you need to go to Dream Team, and after you're there, you need to look for players or training or extras. It varies by version. So after that, you just need to look for booster crafting there. So you can also try creating a booster. You can select duplicate players or booster items. You can choose type like speed, shooting, passing, physical, and confirm crafting. And then you get a new booster item. So that's how you get booster crafting in eFootball.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.